Today I will be showing you how to use the CiteIt tool provided in the course reading list tool to allow you to cite course content that is not readily available through the library. You will first need to start out in the course reading list tool. To locate the CiteIt option, you will need to go to the upper right-hand corner where you'll see a round dot with your initials in it. Click the down arrow and select CiteIt. At this point, you're going to want to grab and drag the CiteIt button to your toolbar. That's it. Now to show you how this works, I've already pulled up a YouTube video from the libraries. And now you just have to make sure when you do use the CiteIt button that you keep the course reading list tool open in a tab. It has to be in the same browser for it to work. You can click the CiteIt button, and then it pulls up all the metadata available for the recording or the article or the Amazon link, whatever you'd like to use it for. And then it's going to give you the option to choose a reading list. I have a lot of reading lists, so I find that the fastest way to do this is to type in a word or part of the title of the reading list you want to use. I'm going to use this 3-section template. And then if you have multiple sections, you can choose where you want the section to be saved. So I'm going to save it in section 2, add and close. Now, if you go back to the course reading list tool, it auto resets. And then you can see the videos right here. You will notice that there's a being prepared tab here, and it will stay that way until you send the list to the library for approval.